Hello and welcome to our tutorial on designing themes in Swipecart mobile app. Are you struggling with changing the theme on your mobile store? Your mobile store's theme not only represents your brand but also plays a major role in your marketing strategy. Having the right theme can enhance the engagement rate of your mobile app. How? By making a few changes in the theme style settings page of Swipecart, you can easily alter the complete look of your mobile app. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. Select Theme Settings. Then, Theme Style Settings. You can easily change the font style and font scale from this customization page. There is one essential factor you should know about font style. While it allows you to choose from Swipecart's existing font library, it also lets you add custom fonts from your computer. For that, you have to install the custom font plugin. Allow us a minute to walk you through adding new fonts to your mobile app. Select the font style drop-down and click Add Custom Fonts. If you have already installed the custom font plugin, you will be redirected to the plugin page. If you have not yet installed the custom font plugin, you will be prompted to install it. Confirm that your uploaded font is selected and adjust the font scale here. Change the font color of your app from here. You can select a suitable color for the lighter and darker versions of your font across your mobile store. If you want to change the primary and background color of your app, you can do it from here. Primary color is the actual color of your mobile store. For example, your buttons, side and main bars, and all essential layouts will appear in this color. Background color, on the contrary, covers the entire background of your mobile store. When your app takes time to load, a buffering icon is shown to inform the audience that the app is loading. You can replace the default icon with a personalized one from the upload loader. Here, you can upload a GIF from your computer. However, the dimensions should be within 300 by 300 pixels. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view the updated theme, select Preview to see the new theme on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the theme on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.